International recording artist DJ Khalid is currently in Jamaica working on his album and have made links with a number of local acts. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV's Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Hey yo, check this out. It's going out to all my fan love worldwide. Let me give you an update on my new album. It's sounding incredible. I am so inspired, and I can't wait for the world to hear the music. You know what I mean? I just got a video treatment from Drake 2 days ago. And when I tell you this treatment, first of all, Drake, I don't know how you come up with these type of ideas. Real talk. I don't know what you be thinking, how you be thinking, but you are a genius. I'm not gonna give you too much, but in the meantime, reporting live from beautiful Jamaica, and you know I've been working so hard. It's my first time in the pool since I've been here. Bahamas, I'm on my way. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm in the studio out there. Stay tuned. It's coming together incredible. Billy. Skilly and Billy. And it's 3 milli. Sound the alarm of love. Some boy I eat lunch, and man like me, I eat lunch in the river. Chef, let me get some fish. Thank you. Some boy I wear polyester, man like us I wear silk. Some boy I wear polyester, man like us wear silk. You know, we are there up on the holy mountain, you know, holding a firm meditation. Some boy I drink soda, a man like me I drink King. Some boy I drink soda, a man like us I drink King. We're not playing around. Just school them on. Some boy I go swim, we all swim in the river. They don't want me in a kayak. So I'm in a kayak in Jamaica. You know what I mean? The light is love. God is love. And God is the greatest. Sending my love and blessings to the world. They don't want you in a kayak. So go kayaking. But do it in Jamaica. To the chef.
To the chef.
It's my brethren right there, always cook it up when I come to yard from Spanish Town. To the vocals.
To the vocals.
Album almost done, 97.8%. Matter of fact, come check me real quick. You know what I mean? Little lobster, you know what I'm saying? Little escabous fish, little oxtails. But come over here real quick. You know what I mean? The rice and peas, you know what I mean? Little tofu, just in case you want a tofu, you know what I mean? But hold up, hit the room. This is one of the rooms in the Holy Mountain. This place has 97.8 acres. Just like it's 97.8 album almost done. Cali. To the vocals.
To the vocals.
Fan love. Bless up. God is great. The Holy Mountain. The Holy Mountain. There's so many acres.
Time on the phone and I Hey boy, I might turn for them, I might turn for them, but it's a Rastafari.
Yeah? Hey. So how was the flight?
Life was smooth. I got here safe.
Vocals sound amazing. Vocals. So Sunday, we're gonna have lunch right here in the river. We're gonna actually have to put the tables, everything right here in the river and have lunch. You know what I'm saying? But look over here. It's so beautiful. Like I said, it takes me about 7 days on a golf cart to go through the whole. Look at this. I'm showing them all this. Look at the way the river flows through the mountain. You know what I'm saying? You see all this, right? Man, look at God. With the Nazi dreads. With the Nazi dread. with the Nazi dread. Yeah. Just drive, I'm everywhere right. Lord.
Yeah, I listen about Get the Dictionary album.
That's right.
I don't see the magic.
From day one.
Yeah, I know. Exactly.
From day one.
This fire, you came with that shit. This ain't no new shit to me.
Khalid and Khalid. Jamrock.
Silence.
That's right. You know I'm with King Fire.
Thunder.
You know what I mean? Oh, Thunder, wow. Yeah.
Long time.
You know what I mean? With Butcher and King Fire, you know what I mean?
Cool.
You know what I mean? Jamrock. Fireman, always ready for the fire, boy. Fireman. We making history. Jamaica, it's history.
When
Butcher.
roll up another cup, we gang it.
Yeah.
With him, yeah?
Fireman. Warlord.
Two of them, you know, this you know, we gang it.
Yeah.
And when him say roll up another cup, we gang it again.
Yeah.
Just know. Just know. Legendary Barrington Levy.
DJ Khalid, how you mean?
Legendary. Legendary Barrington
God
Levy.
bless.
Listen, legendary.
He's the biggest legend right now.
Legendary Barrington Levy. Legendary. Listen, Barrington Levy, Bounty, Buju, Fireman, they don't just come out. They don't come out for anybody.
Here goes the bees.
And Capleton.
Fireman.
Oh, fireman.
Capleton, King Shango,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? More fire. Red hot. Fire keep blazing.
Look here, look what somebody does.
That's right. The fireman. The fire. The original. Hand me the Ciroc Summer Citrus. Did you put some Ciroc in it?
Of course I did.
Thank you. It tastes like summer citrus. Hold up. New drink alert. Ciroc Kryptonite. Don't tell Diddy I told you about this. Hold on. It's not out yet. Look at this. Alarm, my boys, my wife, my friends, my family, my team, and some shrimp. You know what I mean?
Hey DJ Khalid, you're one of a kind, man. I've never seen anyone work hard like you.
First of all, I want to say you one of a kind. You work very hard, and I appreciate you for helping me and my family. You know what I mean? The hospitality is amazing, brother. We appreciate you. Let the world know who you are.
It's all love, man. My name is Kevin James. You can follow my Instagram at KevinJames364.
Listen, this brother right here been showing us so much love to me and my family, and I want to say thank you. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate the hospitality. We love that. Nothing but love and respect, brother. Respect, brother. All the time. All the time. Check this out, it's DJ Khalid. Big up my brother Hill. Always take care of me and my family when we in Jamaica. We consider him family. Not as that we love Jamrock Hill. Matter of fact, you see the tag right there. Check out his Instagram. That's family. We the best family. Bless up. Adam, Butch, you know I love y'all. Bless up, Butch. And Adam Stewart, you know I love y'all. Thank you so much. Asad, come over here. Sandals crew. Shout out to the entire Sandals crew. We love you. You always take care of our family. Not that, you're the best in the island. Adam, Butch, Adam Stewart, we love you, bro. We appreciate you. Asad, you love Jamaica? Say it.
I love Jamaica.
We love you. Bless up. .1% done. Album mode. Khalid, Jamaica, I love you. Thank you for the hospitality. You made history. Get ready. You know about that ackee and saltfish, little breadfruit. These fruits right here is unbelievable. A little turmeric shot that I always take. Coconut, something I always love to drink. Of course, water. And it's always great to have a great view. God is great. What you know about this? What you know about this? This fruit right here, they say is seasonable. Like only comes in certain seasons. This might be my favorite fruit in the world now. Nah, it's like truly unbelievable. I spilled my turmeric all over my fruit, but hey, it's still good for you though. Biggest.
Not nice. I see you looking over here.
Lord.
Remember, listen, I get the dictionary album.
That's right.
I don't see the magic.
From day one.
Yeah, I know. Exactly.
From day one.
Inspire, you came with that shit. This ain't no new shit to me.
Warlord and Khalid. Jamrock.
Solid.
That's right. Adam, Butch. You know I love y'all. Bless up, Butch. And Adam Stewart. You know I love y'all. Thank you so much. That's how I come over here. Sandals crew. Shout out to the entire Sandals crew. We love you. You always take care of our family. Not just that, you're the best in the island. Adam, Butch, Adam Stewart. We love you, bro. We appreciate you. Aside, you love Jamaica? Say it.
I love Jamaica.
We love you. Studio, you know what I mean? Beach Street. You know what I mean? Dennis Brown used to record in here. You know what I mean? This is a legendary spot.
Guess who stopped by to buy tasty patties?
Lordy. DJ Khalid! DJ
Sharon, hook it up. There it is. Franchise. Where are you in America? Remember I told you, Karen and Stacey, you're doing a franchise. I'm going to be the first one to franchise. Sharon, you going to make that happen? Sharon.
You don't think so? I love it. Sure.
A big top man. God is great. I'm just rising up. I've been up. I haven't slept my whole life because I've been going hard for my goals and making my dreams into reality. But this past week, probably got like 2 hours of sleep a day. I'm not recommending that. I'm not recommending that to anyone because you do have to get rest. But I don't want you to hug your pillow. Oh man, I'm about to get some breakfast at Jamaica. I love you. Thank you for all the love always. You're gonna be very proud. We made something special for you. God is great. God is great. God did. This is my first time in the pool on this whole trip. I've been going so hard in album mode. This is my first time in the pool, but look how beautiful this is. Look at this pool going in the ocean's right there. You know what I'm saying? It's the holy mountain, the holy ground. It's like so much, I don't know, 100 acres. It's the holy mountain. It has different parts of, like you wouldn't even know this was back here. You know what I'm saying? You know, God is great. We'll wait for Mom. You ready, guys? You ready, guys? We'll wait for Mom. You ready, guys? You ready, guys? Getting your pillow, putting slob all over it. Pillow huggers. Hugging your pillow, just putting slob all over your pillows. Hugging your pillow, slob all over it, like disgusting. Disgusting. Pillow huggers. Island hopping, album mode. We get the most work done when we island hopping. My family gets to have an amazing time. God is great. God is great. God did. Look at him. Hugging his pillow, putting slob all over his pillow. hugging his pillow. Pillow huggers. Look at him, man. You ready, guys? You ready, guys?
My pleasure. Glad you enjoyed it. We worked hard for that. Glad you enjoyed it.
Nah, it was smooth. Thank you so much. I just want to thank the pilots and the beautiful people at Vista. Thank you so much for the love.
Oh, anytime.
Bahamas, we here, baby. We here. Straight from Kingston, just landed in the Bahamas. Where the chef at?
Right here, right now.
Chef, explain to me this lobster, because this lobster looks so incredible. I noticed this one's bigger than the others.
Yeah.
What's going on? Talk to me.
Well, you know, lobster season is closed, but we saved some lobsters for you. Especially.
I need that one, ASAP.
And that one is definitely, you know.
Let's go over here. Like this. What's this over here?
Baked macaroni and cheese.
Wow.
We got some vegetables for you, coleslaw.
Lobsters, straight from the Bahamas. Nassau. Hold on. Hold on. Come get over. Come get this angle right here. Hold on. Just a little butter just in case somebody want to act up. Just a little, but come get this right here. Get this. I know I'm supposed to take it off the shell. This I'm so hungry. Come get this though. Come get this. This is the closing statement right here. God did.
Hey, that's solid.
Come over here, man.
We got
fried fish?
Yeah. Grouper fingers.
Ooh, grouper fingers.
We got grouper fingers. We got roasted grouper. We got roasted chicken. We got peas and rice and plantain. Everything local.
Bahamas, I'm here.
Yeah. And we got some clam chowder right here too for you. Fresh baked bread.
I'm ready. Showing my boy, Assad. You good? What we watching? Sonic 2? Where are we? Where are we? No, we just left Jamaica. Where? Yep.
Daddy, Sonic is going crazy.
Who, Sonic?
Yeah. In the movie, he is. Daddy, look. These are going to make a ring. That's just a
They ain't believe in us. Listen, they really didn't believe in us. Now it really breaks my heart. You believe these people ain't believing us? God did. God did. We taking a toast for more wins, more blessings. We in album mode, and we just discussing the records that we've been cutting, getting done. The last minute magic. You know what I'm saying? Talking about mixing the album cover. They ain't believing us.
Lynx TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Lynx TV.